Other new arrival, the 1970 Dodge Charger RT Tribute Sublime Green.
Mm-hmm.
I guess if you say Sublime, you don't have to say green. That'd be a little redundant,
Sublime.
Right? Sublime over white, 472 cubic inch, 575 horsepower Hemi V8. Vintage Air, again, another one, 4-speed manual with overdrive, which comes in quite handy when you're driving down the highway in one of these beasts.
Sure.
A beautiful interior and near flawless presentation. Really, really beautiful.
Yeah, this one's got the white vinyl top.
Yes, it does.
Pretty cool.
Which is really striking on that car. And I don't always say that about vinyl tops.